Ever wondered how inflation can impact your investments? Let's break it down. Inflation is essentially the rate at which the general level of prices for goods and services is rising. In turn, this chips away at your purchasing power. Now, while inflation can often seem like the villain of the piece, it's important to remember that it's a natural part of any thriving economy. But why does inflation matter to you as an investor? Let's delve into a story to understand this. Imagine a village with a single baker, who bakes 100 loaves of bread each day. Each loaf costs a gold coin, but what happens if the amount of gold in the village increases, while the baker still only bakes 100 loaves? The price of bread goes up. This, dear listener, is inflation in a nutshell. Now let's relate this to investments. Suppose you decided to save that gold coin instead of buying a loaf of bread. As time passes and inflation occurs, your gold coin can buy less and less bread. This simple parable illustrates how inflation erodes the purchasing power of money over time. For investors, this is a sobering reality. Every coin saved is a coin that could potentially be worth less tomorrow in terms of what it can buy. This is especially concerning for those who aim to increase their wealth. So, inflation can eat into your investments, reducing the value of your returns over time. But fear not, there are strategies to protect your investments. So how can you shield your investments from the impact of inflation? Well, let's recap. Inflation erodes the value of money and diminishes purchasing power, thereby affecting your investments. But don't fret. There are strategies to protect your assets. Consider investing in assets that are likely to increase in value at least at the rate of inflation. Stocks and real estate often fit the bill, as do certain types of bonds. These investments can serve as a buffer, potentially growing in value as prices increase. Now let's not forget about diversification. Spreading your investments across different asset classes can help manage risk. It's like not putting all your eggs in one basket. A well-diversified portfolio can weather the storm of inflation, protecting your hard-earned wealth. Remember, understanding inflation and implementing these strategies can help safeguard your investments, ensuring that your future wealth isn't eroded by rising prices. Stay invested, stay protected.